Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to All About the Mags, a channel for all vlogs. I'm Jess, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. And in today's video, I'm doing a quick video of how I make my Cajun pasta. Now, I have a video with this recipe already on my channel further up, but it's been a while since I made this recipe, so I wanted to make it again and share it with you all. I first took some chicken breasts and I cleaned them and I sliced them like this size because I'm going to chop them up. Now, if I was going to leave them whole, I would have left the breast whole and just beat it down a little flatter. But because I'm going to chop it up and mix it all together in my pasta, I cut it into strips like this. Now I'm going to season it. Now, please use the seasonings of your choice and what you prefer. But I'm going to go in with a little bit of acid, some garlic powder, some onion powder, some Tony's Creole seasoning. And as you see, I'm coating both sides with the same seasonings. Some Mrs. Dash original seasoning, some Lori seasoned salt, some smoked paprika, some black pepper, and that's all. I'm just going to mix it all together like that, coat it very well on both sides. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the rest that's in the bowl over here. I'm going to go ahead with the same seasonings. And again, please use the seasonings of your preference, okay? Now I'm going to light my stove, and this is the part that I will be using to fry or sear my chicken strips. I'm going to add in some vegetable oil, but please use the oil of your preference. I know on a past recipe of this particular recipe, I used grapeseed and olive oil, but today I'm just going to fry them in vegetable oil. But I'm frying them a few minutes on each side until they get, well done like I prefer. Again, please cook it to your preference, but I love mine well done. Not dry, but well done, okay? So I'm just going to flip them over until I get to that desired preference, and I'm going to take them out. Now this is my water that I have had heating to bring to a boil for my noodles. Now I'm going in with some salt, some butter, and this total is a half a stick of butter, 2 bay leaves. I'm going to stir it and bring it to a boil. Now back over to my chicken strips. This is my preference right here, well done. Now I'm going to take them all out and set them on a plate to the side until I get all of my strips fried up. Now my water has stopped boiling. Now I'm going to add my noodles. My noodles has boiled to my preference. I don't want it to get too mushy, so they are what you call al dente. So I'm going to drain this and let them cool off. This is the last batch of chicken strips that I have to fry. This is my washed spinach, baby spinach. This is my washed cherry tomatoes, which I'm going to dice up. Not really dice up, slice them. And then see how al dente the noodles still are, because they're going to cook a little longer, because for one, it's real hot, and two, when I do the mixture together, I got to turn the stove back on, right? So it's going to cook some more, so you don't want your noodles too mushy, okay? So I'm going to slice these cherry tomatoes just like that, and see, I got them all just sliced in half, that's all. I washed my lemon. I'm going to slice off the one side of it, and this is what I'm going to use to squeeze in my sauce, just a little bit. If I was doing shrimp, I would have did more lemon juice, but I'm just going to do a splash of it in this recipe. Add me some butter to a little bit of the oil that remained in the pan after frying the strips, some garlic paste, and some tomato paste. And I'm going to mix this all together. with some water. And I really didn't measure it, y'all, but I think this is about 2 cups, I would say, of water. And I'm going in with some chicken broth, maybe 2 cups again. I'm guessing, y'all, because I really don't measure when I cook. A little bit of whipping cream, heavy whipping cream that is. I'm gonna give it all a stir. I'm gonna bring it to a boil. Now that it has come to a boil, I'm going to add in my washed baby spinach. I'm going to give it a splash of lemon juice. Going to stir it. A seed dropped from the lemon. I'm going to stir it and add a little bit more seasonings. I'm not going to add all of the seasonings that I used prior on the chicken, but a little bit of the seasoning back into it and give it all a stir. And I'm going to add in some Parmesan cheese. I usually get the grated one from the deli, but today I just got the bag shredded cheese, right? And I'm just going to stir it together. Now you want to keep stirring it, because see, like that, it's going to chunk up and have your spinach all gathered together. So you want to keep stirring it. This is my chicken after I already chopped them up in pieces. Now I'm going back to my noodles. I'm going to give it all a stir. Then I'm going to add in all the mixed ingredients, okay? Now I'm going in with my spinach and sauce. And I'm going to stir it up. And I'm going to keep stirring it, y'all, because that cheese that I put in there, you see how I got my spinach a little clumped together? Well, I'm trying to loosen all that up. Now I'm going in with my chopped chicken. Now you can save some pieces to top it on the end, at the end when you fix your plate. But today I'm just going to add all the pieces to the pot and combine it together, okay? But if you want some crispy chicken on the top when you finish, then you would leave back some so you could sprinkle on the top of your finished dish. And this is how it looks, y'all. And this is the finished product. You all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you haven't subscribed and you like our content, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share. Don't forget to check out all of my links to the merch products, TikTok Shop, Amazon storefront, and all platforms linked in the description or the bio. Or you can just go to here to my Beacon app, where I house all of my links in one place. Remember, God is always with you, and you can do all things through Christ who gives you the strength. And just like I tell my family, God got you and you got this. Whatever your this is, I'll see you next video. Bye.